Here are Stella and Lily in their little pens in the middle of my mom's kitchen. You can see. And this is where they stay when there isn't anybody here. And my mom's on vacation right now, so they're hanging out here a lot. I come over and let them out, and they run around the house for a little bit. But you can see they have their little bed area and their bowls, and then they both have their own little poop box to use, and we just put newspaper in it. Hey, Stella. Hi, Stella. Yeah, she says, let me out. Actually, it's supper time. Give me my supper. You want your supper? Are you hungry? You guys hungry? Huh? Are you hungry? Yeah, are you hungry? Lily's like, okay, yeah, sure. Take a little bone break. Hey, Stella. Stella. Hi, sweetie. Where's Stella? Hey, Baba. Hey, Baba. And Lily.